Hi, I'm Lisbeth Calandrino, the presenter of Being a Woman in a Man's World. Many industries are dominated by men. My hunch is there are more men than women at the Remodeling and DecExpo. But despite the numbers, there are numerous successful women in this field and other male-dominated industries. Now, the first half of this session will look at success through the lens of one female business owner, as she charts her journey in an industry led mostly by male professionals. The second half will be a group discussion, and the session will close with an interactive Q&A. Successful women share special traits which have helped them compete and become successful. One of the most important traits that they share is courage. The courage to be themselves and to compete. Now, from high heels to steel-toe boots, women are leaving their footprints on various projects and as leaders. So join me October 9th from 10:30 to noon in room 345. Everyone is welcome.